Have you ever turned on your dishwasher and heard this weird sound? Let me show you what to do to fix it. The first thing you want to do is remove the bottom cover to determine exactly where the buzzing sound is coming from. For me, I can hear it coming from that unit right there, which looks like the recirculation pump. After pulling your dishwasher out, disconnect the power. Here we're going to remove the recirculation pump from itself, separating it to see if there was an issue somewhere inside. And as you can see, there is some buildup of some dirt or sediments, but the real problem was right here. When we took it off completely apart, we did find out that this piece was broken and separating from itself. You can see right there that it's loose. That was the main cause of the problem. Therefore, we had to replace the recirculation pump with a new one. The new one came in the mail. I got it off Amazon. Let me know if you want me to send you a link to it. But here's the part number. Once I looked it over, I just verified that the seals were intact and the pieces were not separated. Everything looked good, so we went ahead and installed it. Just to make sure I got the right part, I did compare it next to the old one, and it's a perfect match. To install it, all you have to do is work it back in place. You may use a little bit of soapy water to work that rubber seal in there, but if you just push hard enough, it'll pop right in. Slide that bracket back in that holds it in place, and you're all set. Now for the test.